Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make your own paper chopsticks? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike and this is Scoutadelic, and today I'm going to show you how to make some cool paper chopsticks. So this month is all about the world, and obviously chopsticks are usually associated with China, Hong Kong and South Korea, which is where the next World Scout Jamboree is going to be held. So this is kind of a cool thing that obviously you can make yourself, and then you can use it as a game as well. So there we go. What you're going to need is some simple things: paper, sellotape, some scissors and a pencil. That's it. That's all you need. So with your bit of paper, what you want to do is you want to put your pencil on the end and you want to obviously curl it. So what you're going to do is you're going to curl it like that, and you're going to keep on going until obviously you get to the other side of the paper. You will lose the pencil inside though. And then when you get to the end, what you want to do is you just want to tape that to obviously as tight as possible, like so. There we go. Then you want to obviously get the pencil out if you don't want it obviously stuck in there, like so. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to cut off the end. So you want to round about that much off on either side. On one end, what you want to do is you want to flatten it down, and then you want to trim it off. So you want like a, I'm trying to think, like a shape. What does it say it looks like? It's in the middle. So, a bit like that. Okay, and then you want to obviously put some sellotape on that end. You want it flat. Once it's obviously taped, just trim, make it so it's almost like a leaf at the end, like that. Then you want to make another one. So obviously do the same thing, curl it all up, and then you want to cut it at the same length as that one, because you don't want obviously two chopsticks that are different lengths. And there you have it. Ta-da! Your own paper chopsticks. So there we are. Quite handy, quite cool, quite easy to make, and also a really cool activity that you can maybe do so you can make your own chopsticks, as well as have a dashing around so they can grab something from one end of the hall and have to carry it with their paper chopsticks to the other end. So if they haven't done the paper chopsticks right, well, it's gonna fall, isn't it? There we go. Some really cool activity that you can do. And it's easy. If I can do it, anyone can. If you've enjoyed this video, then don't forget to obviously give this a big thumbs up and share it around, because come on, who doesn't want to make some orange cool paper chopsticks? And if you've enjoyed our videos, then consider subscribing, please. I'm getting close to 7k. Come on, we need to hit it. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon for another one. Please. Hey, bye.